In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a request intake form in Monday.com. We'll be setting this up so that incoming requests are collected in one organized board, making it much easier to track, review, and manage everything in a single place. And this is especially helpful if you want a simple system for gathering requests from teammates, clients, or anyone else without needing them to access the board directly. To begin, open the Monday.com board where you want all requests to be collected. This board will act as the central location for every submission that comes in through your form. So make sure you're in the correct workspace and board before moving forward. Starting with the right board is important because the form will automatically send responses there as new items. Next, add the columns you'll need to capture the right information. In this example, create columns for requester name, request type, priority details, and due date. These fields help structure each request clearly from the start. Try to match each column to the kind of information you want people to submit because the form will use these columns to build the questions automatically. Keeping your board organized at this stage will save time later when requests start coming in. Once the columns are ready, click Add View. This is where you can create a different way of interacting with the same board data. From the available options, select Form. Monday.com will generate a form view based on the columns you just created, which gives you a quick starting point without needing to build everything from scratch. After that, customize the form questions and required fields. This is the part where you make the form easy to understand and complete. Review how each question appears, adjust the wording if needed, and decide which fields must be filled out before someone can submit the form. Required fields are useful for making sure you always receive the most important information, especially for things like request type, priority, or due date. Clear labeling here can reduce confusion and improve the quality of submissions. When the form looks the way you want, share the form link with requesters. Anyone with the link can fill out the form, which makes it a convenient way to collect information without manually entering it yourself. Before sending it out widely, it's a good idea to test the form once to make sure everything appears correctly and maps to the right columns. Finally, review new requests as items on the board. Each submission will show up there automatically, allowing you to sort, prioritize, and manage incoming work more efficiently. And that's how to create a request intake form in Monday.com.